How did you do that practice? I've eaten half
this
of
might
it.
to have.
I've eaten half of it.
I have not even got to the quarter of this fish. What's wrong with you now? You just they chop, they go, chop, 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 they go. What is that?
I've eaten for 2. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel.
We are the Common Sense Sisters.
My name is Ella.
My name is Yo-Yo.
Yes, to our esteemed subscribers, welcome back to the channel. To those who are new, welcome to the
Common
channel.
Sense.
Welcome to the Common Sense Pod.
yes.
Please make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section to let us know that you're new. We want to know everyone by name. To those of you who have not yet subscribed, please
subscribe. Click on the subscribe
button
button now, and the all notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a new videos.
Yes.
As you come in, just give the video a thumbs up.
Like
Leave a comment in the comment section. We want to see it, and then
share
share
the video once you're done watching. Yes.
What's happening today?
Today we're going to be eating something very unique, and it's called plantain boat. So we know we have a diverse audience, and then so we asked YOYOMEALICIOUS to make this delicacy for us in 3 different styles. So we asked for the plantain boats with meats, plantain boats with fish for the pescatarians, and then plantain boats with vegetables.
Just for the vegetarians.
For the vegetarians.
So I think everyone is sorted out.
Everyone is satisfied.
And plantain is from the plants.
Yes.
Yes.
So it gives you your full, what they call it, balanced diet.
Yes.
And we'll be topping it up with some zobo drink from YOYOMEALICIOUS. We'll pour it out of the bottle and we're just having it in a wine glass because we can.
Exactly.
Right?
I hope you all are doing well. Let us know if you have tried this
before. We'll be showing it on the screen so you'll be able to see what we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
I'm going to try. See me holding.
Wabuji.
I'm holding the knife from the left.
No, they taught us in the secondary school. They hammered on our head. They are left for fork, right for knife. And it's like this. We're going to try it too. I'm trying the fish first. Vegetarians will try yours last.
Yeah.
We'll try yours last. Plantain
boat.
It's a bougie bole.
Yeah. Bougie bole. In Nigeria, they have this roasted
plantain.
Yeah. Just roasted like that and they eat it with something else.
This is nice. And the plantains are soft.
Yeah, very soft.
Yoyo is not a fan of too much soft plantains.
I'm not.
But
that's why I'm eyeing the middle.
Oh yeah.
The vegetarian spots, I'm really eyeing it because when it's soft like this, it's so sweet for me.
I love sweet. I love soft.
But I like how the plantain is sweet and then the meat feeling is savory.
It's savory as well. Yeah. So it's not dry inside. That's what you're saying.
And the meat feeling, there's like I can see some chopped potatoes and chopped carrots, so it's really balanced on its own.
Know your experience. When you're ready to turn to taste from the other side.
That's true. It's a
secular table.
Yeah.
If we do say so ourselves.
I think we do after this. Bon appetit after we have eaten.
Yes, come and join us through the screen.
Don't judge me if you see me using knife to collect
carrots.
I can't kill myself.
Are you ready to swap positions?
Because the way you are digging that fish around.
Voila! It's a different side. Let me try the meats.
I'm trying the fish. Okay. This is so nice.
Oh, I wish we got chicken with it too.
Yeah,
I wish we got chicken. Next time we get chicken.
That would be good though. Like shredded chicken in the boats, plantain boats.
Oh,
I think that would be great.
This is very
It's very nice, right? It's moist. So you have like this sweet, savory, sweet, savory. Fantastic. Fantastic. I'm still trying to get my fish done because there's lots of fish.
Goodness. Oh my goodness. This is made for the mouth.
We'll be eating with fork and the knife at the same time.
Yes, now. Is this not the person who are using fork and knife to eat on this channel?
It's too bougie. Well, I'm not too bougie. You can see we're eating from one plate. So,
portion sizes.
I love this fish one as well because I can see some bell peppers. I can see like onions, red bell pepper, orange, yellow bell pepper, so colorful, and also green bell pepper. And the plantain is sweet.
This is another way of respecting plantain as a meal on its own.
Yes.
I realize that people think plantain will always be a side dish. Plantain can be a meal on its own.
Yeah. And so this is a very healthy meal too. You know.
Our nutritionist in the house, what does plantain give us?
Those fake people who say plantain gives you
iron.
It's less to nothing. It doesn't really give very much iron, but you have like carbohydrate
inside. Oh, that's good.
Lots of carbohydrate.
That's good. When you're ready, we try the vegetables for the vegetarians in the house. Nobody is left out on this channel.
This one is really nice.
Okay.
Ella,
how do you do that practice? I've eaten
half of it. I have not even got to the quarter of this fish. What's wrong with you now?
Sorry, that when I was saying it was very yummy. Did you think I was
true? You are so that
announcement in the house.
You just they chop, they go, chop, they go. Why is that?
I'm eating for two, me and the squad. It's not me that's eating. This is
the squad ask you to eat.
This is the squad eating. If I'm eating, it's not for myself.
Why is that?
It's not for myself. You know, not for myself. So let's just try before I keep eating for the squad. It's not me that is eating. No, this is not my face of eating.
This middle of the center for the vegetarians in the house. Let me drink.
Okay, before you
fight.
Announcement. You know when you go for parties, when they want to make announcements for small parties. Announcements. Okay, let's eat the middle. Sorry. Let's eat the middle of the center. Let's eat the middle.
Yo, this one is a different color
of the center.
Tautology
is that not
allowed.
The same thing?
Middle of the center is tautology allowed.
Okay.
This one is so. I'm seeing like
cabbage,
some cabbage, carrots, and some onions. This is a different type.
Let me help you to cut it.
I guess looks like it's nice.
Oh yeah, this one is tougher than the other ones. The plantain is stronger. So
this is like yo-yo.
Yeah.
Yo-yo's plantain. Ooh.
And the meal is not coming apart. Like you know, sometimes when you cut something, everything will just fall off.
This is
everybody's
like,
just playing their own parts.
It's just so firm.
You know, very firm.
Very
firm. That was very ridiculous song that you were saying firm.
It be like, you know, they tear too much. Sometimes it just stay in fair. Hey!
Oh, damn, man.
Oh my god, this is what vegetarians enjoy.
This is what you enjoy. Vegetables. On a golden diet. Huh? As a veganza. Huh? On a vegan diet. Huh? Yummy.com. YOYOMEALICIOUS.
Very nice.
YOYOMEALICIOUS like a YOYOMEALICIOUS.
This vegetarian one is just this very unique.
Very different.
Like it's on its own lane. You know, and I think that's one beauty of YOYOMEALICIOUS. They cater to everyone's needs.
Yep. Very yummy. Can you see that? It's not falling apart.
No.
Things fall apart, but it's not falling apart. I want to see if I could mix everything together in my mouth. So fish, now you put the vegetables, then you put the meat. And mix
that would be good though. It's like traffic stop.
On the plantain.
Let me hold it.
It's like fish. There's a lot going on. It's like the festival of maize.
Plantain boat festivals.
Oh. I'll rate this meal 200/100.
Oh! If you are in the Toronto area, you better go to YOYOMEALICIOUS Instagram. See their Instagram handle now. Go and follow them and place your order for this meal.
Help yourself. Help yourself.
They are always on time. Very delicious meal.
I cannot stress everybody. If you haven't tried this meal before, you are on a long team. You're on a short team.
On a short team.
Because people on a long team means that they are there. You are not there.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness. Etiquette. When you drop your fuckery like this,
Because you want to continue.
It shows that you want to continue behind
The scene. Yeah.
scene. That's what I'm going to do today.
That's the about.
Cheers today. Because we ate for the squad. I ate for the squad.
Oh my goodness. If you've tried this before,
Let us know in the
this
comment
meal,
section.
let us know in the comment section. Woo!
This is the end of the video. Just to
Yeah.
show you plantain boots.
So that we'll rush this thing with our hands.
We're tired of using fork and knife.
We have to rush with our
Let's come and
hands.
use our own hand to
But we don't want to use this
We don't want
hand
to
collection
show.
to confuse the
We wanted
fuckery
to have
collection.
a respect for the plantain on screen.
On screen.
But now let's disrespect the plantain off screen.
Off screen with our hands. Let's enjoy everything, okay?
Yeah.
If you got into this part of the video and you have not done this already, give this video a thumbs up. Now,
Like
please.
this video, it's free. You don't pay anything, no free content.
And leave your comments, share this video.
Share.
If you haven't subscribed,
Come on now.
subscribe right now, please, and click on the all notification bell. You know, and before we go on,
Before we go and do what? Before
we'll leave you now.
Before we leave you now. Before we leave you, go to the playlist. So if you're a newcomer here, there are many videos for you to binge watch. Just be watching, be binge watching, binge watching. Too much of common sense can never be bad. Too much of common sense is good. So watch the video for common sense, like for common sense, subscribe for common sense,
Share
comment
for common sense.
Everything you need for common sense. Now,
today's meal is commonsensically
brought to you by
YOYOMEALICIOUS,
the winning food delivery team here in Toronto, Canada. Please follow them on Instagram.
Yes.
And on Facebook as well.
Yes.
And also follow the Common Sense Sisters every social media platform.
Yes.
And we're on Facebook,
Twitter,
and Instagram. Common Sense.
Yes. Until we'll see you next time.
Common Sense.
Never depart from you.
Cheers.
Bye. Cheers.